Starby, oh, what the heck? Let's go! 1, 2. Oh, 2! 2 shakes and it won't. Go down! No! Pokemon, Century, I sent you. I'm the fattest man in the world. I want you to the Pokeball, you. I don't care if it takes forever.
That's not the thing.
I just keep resetting. Add D until you capture it. Centric! Oh, Centric faint. Centric faint. Centric, why? What? Only people just in the amusement park though.
So that felt like it, okay?
Well, she's a role model, but that doesn't mean anything.
She does. Go back. I want to dress up a Pokemon.
No! You failed, Ron! You failed school! No! I'll destroy you!
It looks like you could bring me with you.
Here I know!
Oh, I want to bring you. Did you do something there?
Alright then. What you do? Talk to either of the people.
Really?
Yeah, the little group. No, wait, talk to the middle.
The middle one.
Middle.
That's what I'm talking about.
Ron, you're annoying me. You're pissing me off. Bang! Don't think you idiot. If you can go over, she's that. Oh no! No! Curse you! Oh, I accidentally hit that one. Well, super effects. The symbols on the ground of the place are the same symbols on Kyogre and Groudon's backs. And Rayquaza. And Rayquaza's true. To destroy him. That's why they were sacred to the ancient Indians. I'm good. Or whatever native. No, not earthquake already. Well, I just got eBay. No, I didn't. I don't even know what I just said, really. eBay! I know, I just saying random stuff. But, and dump stop. Yay! Rock climb! Eruption, no! No! Oh! 0. Oh, no. It's so weak. That was pathetic. Grind's pathetic, kids. Do not touch him. He's infected with cookies and milk ice cream. He smells like fat babies. Go Pokeball. I choose you. Oh, no. I don't get it. On the anime, they always keep using the same Pokeballs. Stop. You have to let Pokeball. Common Pokeball.
I messed it up.
Yes, and a Pokeball!
Leave straight away!
Groudon's Daya was to add to the Pokedex. I already know it's Daya. Says it expands the lands by exploring water. With raging heat, it battled technically with Kyogre.
They're not socks red. They're not just at all yet.
I got Groudon. Hello, what's this?
Like him? That's what you did, right?
Oh, hello. This is something you don't see every day. Pokemon with Groudon, legendary Pokemon in the Hoenn myth. About the shaping of the region. I see. The river tower was built by the peoples from Hoenn. This place was already built. The tower that binds together sea, land, and the sky. Groudon was not the only Pokemon described in the Hoenn myth. This place is still behind its secrets. I wonder where Groudon came from. Yeah. There's a lot of connection between Pokemon. I wonder where Groudon came from. The legendary Pokemon should be right here. That'd be more fun. Or legendary Pokemon here, or legendary Pokemon here. The challenge is like right here. Let's go, let's go. Rest, Earthquake, Ancient Power, and Eruption. Yay, level 50, Sea Slayer. Ability, Drought, Nature, Rash. Awesome!